What is the most underrated vacuum cleaner in Canada? Well, that award goes to the Sebo E2 Turbo. Now, why this particular vacuum cleaner? I'll tell you. First and foremost, the brand Sebo. Sebo is a German manufacturer of vacuum cleaners, and that's all they do, vacuums. And they've been established for decades now. They actually started into the commercial industry, and then they moved into the residential. Now they do both. However, it's unlike any other vacuum cleaner most people know. They're not the Dysons, they're not the Sharks, they're not the Bissells. As a matter of fact, they do very little marketing. Only people who actually start searching for a buy it for life type of vacuum will come across the brand Sebo. For good reason too. They still make all of their vacuum cleaners in Germany. As far as quality, longevity, and power, these vacuums are second to none. They also offer the best warranty in the business. And right now in 2026 in Canada, we're offering a 10-year warranty on Sebo vacuum cleaners from Sebo, from the manufacturer. So the brand itself is, if you know, you know, it's one of the best things out there that not a lot of people know about. Why the Sebo E2? Well, Sebo has three lines of canister vacuums. The K series, the E series, and the D series. The K series has been around for a very long time, and it hasn't been upgraded in a long time. But then there's the D series. Now with the D series, they're big, they're heavy, they're beasts of vacuums. So they may not be best suited for all homes, especially if weight and maneuverability is a priority for you. The E series is the Goldilocks. It's a newer model. It's been one of the most reliable models Sebo's made. They're easy, they're light, they're powerful, and they get all the good features. In the E series, there are three models. There's the E1, best for people who have mostly bare floors. The E2, which covers bare floors, area rugs, and if you have carpets. And most of the carpeting that we have in our homes these days, you know, your low to medium pile carpets, this machine will happily do. And then there's the E3, the one right on top of this model. And that model gets a very powerful power head that can handle really thick carpets. That's really meant for deep cleaning thick carpets, especially if there's a lot of pet hair on thick carpets. Therefore, the E2 is a suitable machine for just the majority of the population who have either ripped the carpeting out, or if they have carpets, they're just your regular carpets, low to medium pile. If there is pet hair, low to moderate amounts, this vacuum will do happily. Now, Sebo has a few features that makes their vacuum cleaners just one of the best in the market. First and foremost, you will notice that all their machines are called Sebo Air Belt something or another. The reason for that is this cushion right around the vacuum. This is not only the exhaust where the air comes out of the vacuum from the motor, it also has a foam cushion where if the vacuum hits your baseboards and cupboards and things like that, does not damage your things, and it also doesn't get scuffs on the vacuum itself. The other reason why these vacuums are as popular as they are is because they have what we call S-class or hospital grade filtration. Not only they have bags that are same quality bags we used to make masks during COVID. Those bags contain dirt and dust within, they don't let anything out, but there's also two other layers of HEPA filtration that makes this vacuum have the hospital grade filtration they are known for. Really long cords, very powerful motor, very nice and easy to carry and maneuver because of the casters, really good quality hoses, wands, and floor heads. All of these make this vacuum just a really nice, easy to use vacuum. It does have a really long cord. It has a really nice 3.5 liter big capacity dust bag, and they're very cheap to run. These vacuums will require a bag change every quarter, every 3 months, maybe once a season. The bags don't cost a lot of money, and filters every 18 months or so. So they don't really cost a lot to maintain either. Considering that these vacuums last as long as they do, and we often do get them in here after 10 years or 15 years just for a quick service, they are one of the best buy it for life vacuums. Another reason why it's the most underrated vacuum is price-wise. You see, in the Sebo line of machines, this vacuum kind of sits right in the middle, and it's in a very competitive price range, where a lot of manufacturers try to compete in that price range. But very few manufacturers offer as many features and as good a quality as this model does in that price range. So the Sebo E2 Turbo is, in our opinion, the most underrated vacuum in Canada, and we will die on that hill. And we ship these to all Canadian provinces free of charge. If I missed anything, feel free to reach out, vacuumwarehouse.ca. Chat with us online, visit our showroom in Richmond Hill. And if you have any questions, we are here and happy to help. Thank you.